Today, we're diving into one of the great debates in the Goldwing world. 2 wheels or 3. Honda Goldwings versus the trike conversion. Let's get right into it.
And did you guys know there's a way to go back and forth between your trike and your motorcycle?
Yeah, it's amazing. Watch till the end for more info. Hey guys,
It's Mike,
and Renee.
and we're middle-aged road rage. You know, Renee, it's not really a competition between 2 wheels and 3 wheels. It's about what's right for you.
You're absolutely correct. It's all about what's right for the rider.
Yeah, that and personal preferences.
Well, all right then, let's talk about the pros and cons of each. So Mike, let's have you go over the pros of a 2-wheeled Goldwing, the classic.
Well, the obvious pro of a motorcycle is the handling versus a trike.
Well, that's true. You've got the lean, you've got the nimbleness, you're one with the bike, carving corners like knife through butter. And let's face it, nothing quite matches the 2-wheeled freedom on a long stretch of road.
Yeah, and if you're lucky enough to live in a state that you can split lanes like we do, you're not doing that on a trike either.
Well, and the cons. I mean, that 900-pound beast, it can be tough to manage when you're not moving. And once age or an injury creeps in, it can start to feel more like work than fun.
I agree with that. Why don't we talk about the pros of a trike?
Okay, well, for one thing, there's the stability at stops, no more dropping the bike, no more tip overs in gravel, and it's great for long hauls. And a lot of riders says it brings confidence back to the road. And hey, that extra luggage factor, especially if you've got a big trunk, you can put a lot of junk in the trunk.
Yeah, that's important.
It's true, right?
Yeah, but there are definitely cons.
Oh, for sure. I mean, you lose the lean. No more dipping into corners like a sport touring pro. They're wider, so tight spots and parking take more planning. And trikes ride a little rougher. I mean, think of it more like a car with handlebars rather than a traditional bike.
It's definitely a give and take.
And then there's the matter of cost. I mean, a quality Goldwing trike conversion is not cheap. I mean, you're looking at anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000, depending on options like independent rear suspension, custom paint, and storage upgrades. But, you know, there are great companies like Roadsmith and California Sidecar, Hannigan, amongst others. They're all big players, and you get what you pay for. Well, you know, and most people used to think, oh, once it's a trike, it's not going back. But you know what, Mike?
No, what, Renee?
Okay, so I found this company that makes a reversible trike kit, right? It's like you put it on, but you can also remove it without damage. I got to show you this. Check this out.
That sounds crazy. I've never heard of that.
So this company, Tow-Pac, they make these bolt-on kits, right, that quickly go on and also are removable, so you can go back and forth between trike and bike anytime you wish.
It's like a training wheel.
In a way it is, because you know what? Your original wheel is still under there.
Yeah, you
right?
can see that it's got 4 wheels.
Exactly.
So it's not really a trike.
Well, I guess now it's a quad, right?
Right.
But the really interesting thing is, you know, the average person with mechanical skills, according to their website, you can put it together yourself.
Just a little duct tape and
Just a little duct tape, right? Right. So bottom line, there is no wrong answer here. It's not about how many wheels are under you. It's about whether the ride still puts a smile on your face.
Absolutely.
So let us know in the comments. Are you on 2 wheels? Are you on 3 wheels? If you did a conversion, like who did you have do it? Did you do it yourself?
I'm not doing it myself.
That is probably a good thing. Anyway, no, actually he's really good. He's very good. Anyway, we'll catch you next time, guys.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.